Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I will show you how we can activate Google Assistant on the smartphone. So at the first you have to find Google app, tap on More, move to the settings, go for Google Assistant. Next you have to scroll down until you find General Settings. It will be right here under Default Preferences. Okay, here we get some kind of debug, so let's enter for the Google Assistant another time, and here it is. So tap on it. Then click here on the switcher, click to turn on, and right now we can use our Google Assistant, as you can see. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.